Yeah, so let's have this question. Acceleration due to gravity G is equal to 9.81 on the surface of the Earth. What will be the value of G on the surface of another planet whose mass is 6 times that of the Earth and whose radius is 1/3 that of the Earth? It's a very nice question. How do we go about this? Okay, so solution. Let's take our solution. We have been given acceleration due to gravity on the Earth. So I'll write, let me take my black pen. G on Earth, according to the question, is 9.81 meters per second squared. We've also been given, and he's asking that what would be the value of G on the surface of another planet. So let's call it GS another planet is what we are looking for, right? And it says that when you read the question carefully, whose the another planet has a mass which is 6 times that of the Earth. So mass of the Earth is 6 times mass of the Earth. And it says whose radius is 1/3 that of the Earth. So let's call it RS 1/3, and we denote capital R for the radius of the Earth. So let's define these terms. Where G is acceleration due to gravity on the other planet. Okay, then we say our M is mass of the other planet. ME is mass of the Earth. Okay, then we RS radius, okay, of the other planet. Then RE, call it radius of the Earth. So these are parameters. Now how do we solve this question? Let us continue. So we are still on solution continues. Solution continues. Okay. But we know that small change acceleration due to gravity is Gm. When we are relating it with the Earth, Gme over Re squared, right? So let's call this equation 1. That is when we are relating it with the Earth. How about the other planet? The other planet is going to be Gms. We are calling that mass as the mass of that other planet. And we are calling the radius of that planet as small r squared. So we can call these two like that. So that at this juncture we relate them. you relate them. So 1 divided by equation 2, you get what? G over GS. Okay, is going to give us GME. And there is an important information we left from the question. Yeah, when you look at this, go back to this, we can say 1/3 is the same as 0.3333 RE. This is an important fact I want us to note, okay? All right, so you see that it says we are dividing equation 1 by 2, and equation 1 is this. Sorry. Equation 1 is what we have, and equation 2 is this. So when we are dividing, then the right hand side, the left hand side will give us, the left hand side will give us this over this. Okay, that is why I have this here. Do you understand? Then the left hand side, what do I get for the right hand side? I've done the left hand side. So the right hand side will give me what? Is RE squared divided by what? GMS over RS squared. Are we okay? So that if we are to continue this, what are we going to get? We are going to get, don't circle them when you are doing it, okay? I was just using it to show you something. So to avoid trouble, let me just clean it. I was just showing something to you. So this one, you can clean this one as well. Yeah, and clean this one as well. So that we get here GSG. Now let's continue with what we are doing here. Okay. So what do we get on our left hand side? We still get G over GS is equal to GME over RE squared times small r small rs. Okay, so let me write it neatly. Small rs squared over GMS. So at this juncture, look at this. Look at the right hand side. What do we have as a similar letter? The genes are similar, so they will cancel. They will cancel out, and we will get this GS over G. Oh, sorry, the genes are gone. So what are we left with? We are left with ME over RE squared times RS squared over what? MS. But don't forget the question stated here. Let's look at this information. We need to fix this information inside. The question stated clearly that the mass of the other planet we want is 6 times the mass of the Earth, and the radius of that other planet is 1/3 that of the radius of the Earth. So wherever I see MS, I can put 6 ME there. Likewise, wherever I see RS, I will put 0.3333 RE there. So now let's continue from where we have gotten to. This is going to give us G over GS equals ME over what? RE squared times Okay, are you following? Wherever I see this, I'll put what? 0.3333 RE here. It is squared. So I will square this all over 6 times. Wherever I see MS, I'll put this ME there. Yeah. So that we can continue from here on the next page. Let's continue.